Hi everyone, I decided to do this tutorial of how to enter to the deep web in the safest way for dummies. So we're going to install Linux Tails on a USB. To install Linux Tails, we're going to need two USBs, one for ISO and the other one to install the bootable system. The only requirement that the USB had to have is that it required superior to 4 GB. The process is very simple. First, connect one to the computer and install the ISO. Then we are going to turn off the computer and turn on booting the USB. We are going to connect the second one, that is a clean USB, and the computer are going to install the program in the USB number 1, are going to install the system on the USB 2. Well, the first step is enter to your browser and you need to type Tails Linux. And here is the official page of Tails. To download the last version of Tails, let's click let's journey Windows or the system you have and install from Windows. Here are the steps you need to follow, but don't pay attention to my video. And here you need to download the ISO image. I don't download it because I have it already. I'm going to skip the download, and here you need to download the USB installer. Now you need to plug the first USB. You need to plug the first USB and open the universal USB installer. Click yes, I agree, and select the Linux Tail, and you need to select the Tails ISO. Then you need to select the USB segment number 2. Click create, yes, and the USB has become to create the bootable USB. When the process finish, you only need to click close and restart your PC. Now we are going to reboot the PC laptop and choose the USB like the disk of booting. Then go to Tails. We're going to connect the second USB. Now you can select your language and start Tails. And here's the Tails interface, but it's not installed yet. You need to go to application and go to Tails installer. Here we're going to select the second USB, is this, and we are going to click install and click yes. When the installation finish, close the window and you need to reboot your computer with the USB number 2. Connect the second USB and reboot your computer. Select the USB, click, enter Tails, and then wait a moment, be patient, and then select your language, click start Tails, log and tada, we have the Tails desktop. Now to enter the hidden wiki, click on application and go to Tor browser. In the browser, recommend to keep the window. You need to type hidden wiki. And here we are, the first door to enter to the deep web. Here you are going to find any kind of sites for entertainment or for business. I prefer the entertainment section. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to support this kind of videos or this channel, you only have to subscribe or give me a like.